Most YouTube AI prompts are garbage. They look smart, they sound impressive, but they don't actually grow your channel. So I tested 50 viral YouTube prompts, and only 5 of them are actually worth using. If you're a beginner trying to grow with AI, this will save you months of wasted time. I tested each prompt using the same niche, the same topic, and the same AI model. I ranked them based on strategy depth, retention awareness, monetization logic. Most failed instantly. Here are the winners. Most people ask AI, give me 10 YouTube ideas. That's the mistake. This prompt assigns a role. It defines the audience, and it focuses on CTR. That instantly upgrades the quality. AI becomes powerful when you give it context, not when you give it lazy instructions. YouTube is a packaging game. If your title is weak, nothing else matters. This prompt works because it includes character limits, psychology, and a specific audience. If you don't define who the video is for, AI gives you generic titles. Specific input equals powerful output. Most beginners say, write me a YouTube script. That gives you an essay. This forces structure. Hook. Flow. Interrupts. Retention is what makes YouTube push your video, not how smart it sounds. You see now the results better and specific. Beginners try to be creative. Smart creators study patterns. This prompt turns AI into your research assistant. Instead of guessing what works, you reverse engineer what's already winning. That alone can save you months. This might be the most important one. Most prompts hype you up. This one exposes weaknesses. Better to fix a bad strategy now than after 30 uploads. If your niche is unclear or your positioning is weak, you need to know immediately. And this is exactly why I built my 300+ YouTube prompt pack. Because most prompts online are surface level. Mine are structured for CTR, retention, monetization, positioning. If you're serious about building your channel using AI as leverage, it's linked in the description. If this helped you think more strategically about prompting, like and subscribe to AI Hustle Lab. I test AI strategies so you don't waste time on hype. And remember, AI doesn't grow your channel. Strategy does. See you in the next video.